Etch a sketch, 60 years shaking and erasing. Isla, you ready? We're gonna open this. She said open, and then she said take a picture. She wants me to also record a video. So there we go. This is a cute pocket one. Pockets. Look. Oh, you got your cupcakes. Those are cute. You found a top for each one of them. Isla, good job, baby. Look at all these cute yummy cupcakes. Can I have one? Thank you.
Wait.
Nom, 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 nom. Oh, you give me this one too? Thank you, baby.
Yummy.
Yummy. I remember having one of these too when I was a kid.
Oh.
You funny girl.
Oh, see what's going here. I don't know what this.
Oh, it's right here.
Thank you.
Cheese. Look at, you want to see? You draw on it. You want to see?
Yeah.
Mommy used to have one of these when she was a kid. Look at this. Check this out. Hold on. I forgot which way it goes. Oh, look it. It's drawing over there on the bottom. See that? Look at that. You see that on the bottom? Look it. And then you go up with it. Up. See? Look at up. You like that?
Mommy, you want to draw?
Isla want to draw?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong with that.
Oh, you know what happened? You deleted it like this. You want shake it. Look it. When you shake it, it deletes it. Magic!
Hi, Isla.
Hi, Isla.
What are you doing?
Okay, so I didn't notice this actually shows this one goes to the left and right, and this one up here goes up and down on the side.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Eating check.
Eating
No,
sugar.
don't worry.
Eating. Isla.
Yes, Mommy.
Eating sugar.
No, Mommy.
Telling lies.
No, Mommy.
Open your mouth. Shake it. Let me see. Did it disappear? Where'd it go? Isla. Oh, you threw it over there.
Gimme.
Yeah, it disappeared. Oops, I made the squid a little bigger. Hey, what are you doing with the Roku channel? What are you doing? Gone, magic. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, look at Shani and Isla. That's on Isla's first birthday.
Shani's here.
Yeah, Shani over there. You were trying to talk to the Siri.
Oh.
Hi, Siri.
Oh.
Oh, what happened? Oh, you want to see the picture of you and your sister again? Okay. I thought you wanted to talk to Siri, girl. What you trying to do?
Mommy.
Yeah.
She want to come and see you.
Yeah, you miss Shania. You want her to come see you.
Yeah.
Oh, see? You heard that, Shania? Your sister miss you.
Where's Shania? She want to come here and see you.
Yes, Shania, you heard your sister. Come visit. She want to see you. Mwah.
Hey.